Android faithful, I know you've been waiting for this since the first beta announcement. Android 7.0 Nougat is ready to roll, and though we're still getting used to even uttering its name, you can download it if you've got one of the latest Nexus devices. Now, we've already told you about the best Nougat features, like its multi-window options and support for direct replies from the notification shade. But if you weren't a part of the beta, you might be stuck on where to start once the new OS is finally installed. That's why I'm here to help. Here's a list of the first 6 things to set up on your newly updated Nougat device. Two apps on one screen? It's totally possible with Nougat, and once you get a feel for how to use the new multi-window feature, you might actually get addicted to using 2 apps side by side. From the recent app screen, hold and press the app that you want to pin. Not all apps work with this particular feature, but if they do, you'll be able to snap it to either side of the screen. To get out of multi-window mode, you can long press the recent apps list, which restores the primary app to full screen. You can also slide the edge of the app you want to use all the way to the edge. This will close one app and make the other full screen. Saving on cellular data is key in these precious times when overage charges and data throttling are common. Thankfully, Nougat offers a feature called Data Saver that lets you restrict background data usage to all apps the minute you turn it on. Data Saver is readily available as an option in the Quick Settings menu, though you can also enable it by navigating to the data usage category in the settings panel. From there, you can customize which apps are whitelisted, and thus allowed to rampantly use cellular data in the background. Apps are completely restricted from sending or receiving data in the background when Data Saver mode is enabled. They only access data when you're currently using them. In Nougat, you can curate which of the quick settings appear in the drop-down notification shade. It's easy to set up. Swipe down twice to expand the notification shade, and then tap the edit button underneath the quick settings. From there, long press on a setting and then drag it where you'd like it positioned. Remember that the first 5 options will be visible with the first drag of the notification shade, while the rest of the quick settings appear after the second swipe down. Now, this is a minor addition to Nougat, but it'll make snapping photos easier for everyone involved. In the camera app, tap on the options button and then select settings. From here, tap on volume key action and then choose what you'd like the volume key to do. Shoot a photo, zoom in, or simply turn up the volume. I love my new pink virtual keyboard, and the good news is now you can customize yours too. In the settings panel, tap languages and input and then select virtual keyboard. From there, tap on theme. Once you're on that screen, you can select from 16 different keyboard themes, including the ability to add an image you like as the background. Google has a fun tradition of dropping an Easter egg into every version of Android. In Nougat, you can unlock a cat collecting game that pays homage to apps like Neko Atsume. To activate the Easter egg, head into the settings panel and scroll down to About Phone. Tap 3 times on the Android version number and then tap on the large N logo a few times before long pressing. If you see the little cat emoji appear below, that means you've activated the game. To actually play the game, you'll have to add the option to your quick settings. Once that's set up, you can tap on it to leave food behind in the virtual bowl to attract kitties. You'll get a notification each time a new kitty comes to visit, and you can save that kitty to your collection and give it its own special name. There is so much more to explore in Android Nougat, and we are just getting started. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and walkthroughs at greenbot.com.